Hello, nice to meet you. I'm on the first day after the operation, and all of the proceedings of the operation it comes pretty well, without any complication, without any problems. First of all, when we come from the airport, we was picked up by a taxi driver, which one deliver us to the clinic. In the clinic, they take the blood test and they just make it all of the necessary things which one they need to do it. After this, we just was picked up by taxi driver to the hotel, where we get the room, and all of the proceedings with transfer from the airport to the clinic and to the hotel was go very well. After a few hours in the evening time, we receive not MMS, only on the WhatsApp information what it will be happened in the next day from the morning time, all of the proceedings, where we should do come, in which hour exactly, and in next day, like a surgery day started from 7:40 in my for me, and then I was picked up by taxi driver to the clinic, where we started all of the proceedings. All of the processing they started at 8 o'clock in the morning time, and they finish with me in 4:20 p.m. approximately. And all of the amount of the grafts, which one they take it from my hair, they make a transplantation. It was 4,300 grafts. It's pretty huge amount, and probably that's why it takes so long time and everything. But I'm very happy from all of this, from my decision that I just start with MediTravel and with Clinicana, and of course I recommend all of the this office and Clinicana to make a hair transplantation. The second day, it's also on the first day evening time, we get the information from the ladies on the WhatsApp what we should do it on the second day. We come to Clinicana, and Dr. Professor, he make it all of the checking list. If everything goes well, they clean our hair, they make it everything what it's necessary to do. They explain everything what we need to do it after next days and next few weeks, what we should to do it exactly, and all of the service from Clinicana and from MediTravel was in high level, and I really recommend this.